The Loddie Doddie Magnetic Chalkboard is a versatile tool for both school and home, offering a generous 24 by 36-inch surface that is perfect for organizing and displaying important notes and messages. Its rustic frame adds a charming touch to any decor, seamlessly blending with various styles to enhance the aesthetic appeal of your space. The magnetic feature of this chalkboard allows for easy attachment of photos, notes, and even small decorative items, adding both functionality and fun to your wall display. With the included hardware, this chalkboard can be easily mounted either vertically or horizontally, providing flexibility in how you choose to display it. The chalkboard's surface is designed to be easy to erase, ensuring that it remains clean and ready for new ideas and plans without the worry of lingering stains. This magnetic chalkboard makes for an excellent gift idea, offering a unique and practical addition to any home or office environment.